What's up, everybody? Gary Gilgan here. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little while since I made a video for you guys, so I want to make a video today kind of recapping the market over the past couple weeks. It has been a wild ride, to say the least. And if you're anything like me, there has been just, the past couple months have been full of fear, worry, anxiety, doubt. Oh my gosh. Have we hit the bottom? Are we on the way back up? This game has literally come down to the last couple minutes. I'm talking Hail Mary throws last night. We're talking the last few minutes before closing, making the recovery, staying above the trend line, not falling any lower and going into bear territory. But the real question is, have we really hit the bottom? Market cap is up $328 billion, up from, I think I saw it about 240 yesterday. So market cap's up. Very, very good thing. The past 7 days, I mean, we hit a low of, about 278. This is the lowest it's saying here, about 278 billion. Now we're up $329 billion. So, I mean, we're moving. We are moving. But is it enough? Is it enough momentum? Is it enough energy to keep us on that forward momentum? Everything's up right now. Bitcoin up 14%, Ethereum up 15%, Ripple up 20%, Bitcoin Cash 12%, Litecoin 14%, Cardano 35%, Neo 30%, Stellar 39%, EOS 32%, and rounding out the top 10, IOTA at 15, almost 16% gains. So things are turning around, but in this game, what goes up can come down. So it's really all about keeping your finger on the pulse, the market cap, okay, 24-hour volume, what is happening in the market. Let's check out the all-time highs. How far are we from all-time highs? Still 57% down from its all-time high on December 17th, 61% down from its all-time high for Ethereum, 82% down on Ripple, 77% Bitcoin Cash, 57% Litecoin, 86% corrected on Cardano, 65% Neo, Stellar at 75, 71 at EOS, and rounding out the top 10, IOTA still down 77.5% from its all-time high. Just, you guys, when I see these numbers, and if you don't follow all-time high athcoinindex.com, I would suggest doing so, because when I see these numbers, 50% or greater, I see instant profit. That's 100%. Gain on your money right there from all-time high, over 100% gain. You'll double your money. You invest your money in any of those top 10 coins, and once the market recovers and we test those past all-time highs, you're going to get a 100% return on your money. And just to protect myself, this is in no way, shape, or form investment advice. I am simply trying to educate people, to help people on what cryptocurrencies are and how to profit and protect yourself from the upcoming dollar crash. Let's move on to a little bit of technical analysis. Like I said, we've been in a downward trend since what was that? December 17th. We've been in a downward trend. And really, we're just seeing where we're starting here. This could turn. It could break that trend line. It could come down and test support for me, the support, past support's going to be $5,700 here. We are below. We got that death cross just a couple days away where that 50-day and that 200-day are going to cross. So that's it's very, very pivotal, guys. Are we going to end below or above that death cross? I mean, it's a pivotal time. I'm big on astrology too. Yesterday was a very powerful new moon. So a lot of stuff happening, a lot of energy in the universe. You know, if you follow my man, BK Crypto, he's all about energy, that these markets, it's all about harmonics. It's all about energy, you know, and as we saw energy go up, and it's just like breathing, you know, energy in, energy out, energy in, energy out. And that's exactly what we see in all of these. And there's no such thing as an endless uptrend. What goes up must come down. And what we have seen for the past few months is a downtrend, and all of us are hoping that the uptrend has begun, and only time will tell. XRP, let's go to the daily chart here. XRP, it's flat. It's still on it's still got downward energy. It has broken. It is above this trend line that I drew right here. But it might be falling down. We still have a little bit to go before, and that's what this line is right here. That's that 50-day. We're getting pretty close. Or excuse me, the 200-day, still above the 200-day, but it's coming down. So we'll see. There could still be a little bit of time, a little bit of correction left in Ripple, but we'll see if that energy from this current influx of liquidity is going to pull it out of the trenches. I want to check out the hour real quick. So see, we're getting lower highs and lower lows here, guys. So even on that hourly, looks like we're still losing a little bit of energy, really trying to stay above that 50-day on the hourly. ADA here, again, still a downward trend energy. The energy is showing that we're in a downward trend. We're breaking above that trend line, but can we stay strong? Only time will tell. And EOS, my number one pick for the year, same old story. Same old story, same old story. Trying to break above that trend line, but will we be able to? We'll see what the end of the day has to say for that. What's the hourly saying? The hourly's just been strong. Strong. I mean, big old pop right there. Big old green candle. We'll have to see what happens there. NEM, another one of my favorites. Man, yeah, I mean, it did pretty good last week. We saw a high of 42 cents. But can it sustain? Only time will tell. What does that hourly look like on NEM, New Economy Money or Movement? Hourly, I mean, it's trying. It's staying above that 50-day. But will we persevere? Only time will tell, guys. Only time is going to tell. Stellar, same story, guys. We're in a downward trend, and only time can tell. So, you know, be prudent in these volatile times. NEO, I mean, we're on thin ice. We're on thin ice. We'll see how the week fares, how we end this week, and in between then, just be careful. In the news, Bitcoin returns above 8,000, but sell-off risk remains. Bitcoin corrective rally could soon see prices climb back to $9,000. However, the longer-term outlook still remains bearish according to technical charts. As we just went through all those charts, I mean, we're in a downward trend. If we continue on that downward trend, we're going to really fall into some bearish territory. Bitcoin fell to a 5.5-week low of 73.35 on the BPI yesterday, a drop linked to reports that Twitter is now planning to ban cryptocurrency ads. So we've got Facebook, we've got Google, we've got Twitter now Everybody is coming after the crypto ads. However, the drop to a multi-week low was short-lived, and the cryptocurrency quickly regained poise, possibly due to a bullish relative, the RSI divergence, clocking a high of 84.35 earlier today. Further, the Financial Stability Board, FSB, which coordinates financial regulation for the G20 economies, yesterday rejected calls for stricter regulation of cryptocurrencies, according to a Reuters report. News that may have played a part in boosting BTC prices. So what does that mean? Does that mean that institutional investors were waiting to see what the elites were up to at their secret G20 meeting? And as we saw, and as we'll read in the next story as well, the news wasn't too bad. So what we're finding more and more and more is media and what I'm going to call the elites. They're really using their media propaganda machine to really drive prices down so that they have an opportunity to scoop up those discounted prices, scaring the average investor, of which crypto, the entry point of crypto is extremely simple compared to regular securities. And if it's easy to get in, it's easy to get out, especially, and that means it's easy to manipulate the markets, creating fear and panic, driving those weak hands to cash in. Looking ahead to later in the day, BTC could well extend a corrective rally towards the $9,000 mark. And if that does, that's going to be really good confidence. As of writing, the cryptocurrency is trading at 8,154 as per CoinDesk's Bitcoin price index. The global average price as calculated by CoinMarketCap is seen at 82.19, up 6.5% on a 24-hour basis. So, I mean, we'll see. We're just going to see what happens. You got the 4-hour chart. Everything is trying to break. And we're talking about that death cross. Death cross on the way. The daily chart also shows the 50-day moving average is likely to cut the 200-day moving average from above in the next few days. The bearish crossover is popularly known as a death cross. And according to a few strategists, it could end up pushing Bitcoin down as low as $2,800. Let's see if we have support at that, if they know what are they talking about here. Oh my gosh, 2,800. I mean, that's where we're at. August of last year, I think if we do break support, we're going down to probably 6,000, 5,700. That's where I would predict that we would fall down to, is that next level of support right here for 55 to 6,000. So watch out for that, guys, in the next couple days. And then again, just continuing on, BTC ETH recover from monthly lows on comments to G20 members. So the crypto markets are in the green again after hitting monthly lows this week, with Bitcoin back over $8,000 by press time, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Following the Bank of England's positive comments to G20 members that crypto poses no risk to the stability of the global economy. Reuters wrote about the G20 crypto comments, which were made in a letter dated March 13th at 8:09 p.m. UTC yesterday, March 18th, and BTC saw a spike of $1,000 in price in the following few hours. BTC is currently up almost 8% over a 24-hour period, trading at around $8,300 by press time. Bitcoin's market dominance continues to steadily grow, reporting at 44.5% by press time. Early morning, March 19th, Ethereum also jumped in price to break above 500 after dropping below that mark March 18th for the first time since December of 2017. ETH is now trading at around $532 and up almost 6% over a 24-hour period at press time. ETH's drop below 500 could possibly be attributed to a dump of 50,000 ETH tokens on crypto exchange Bitfinex, according to Twitter famous crypto enthusiast Whale Panda. At press time, all of the top 100 coins are in the green, with gains in the top 10 coins of as much as 27%. So, guys, are we out of the dark? Let's refresh this page again, see what we're at. 329. I mean, only time will tell, guys. So really, just hold on. Be cautious. Be prudent. We are not out of the woods yet, guys. We're not out of the woods. So just be careful out there. Whew. It's exciting stuff, guys. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys be safe out there. If there's anything I can do for you guys, just reach out and I'd be happy to oblige. Until next time, have a great day.